This is a classic cost minimization problem with a linear production function. The production function is Q equals 2L plus 3K. The desired output is Q equals 100 units. The price of labor, W, is 10 rupees per unit. The price of capital R is 20 rupees per unit. We want to find the combination of L and K that produces Q equals 100 at the minimum cost. The total cost C is given by is to C equals WL plus RK, C equals 10L plus 20K. Since the production function is linear, labor and capital are perfect substitutes in production at a constant rate. Let's find the marginal product of labor, MPL, and marginal product of capital, MPK. MPL equals frac partial Q partial L equals 2. MPK equals frac partial Q partial K equals 3. Now let's compare the bang for your buck for each input, which is the marginal product per rupee spent. For labor, frac MPL W equals frac 2 text units, OF output RS. 10 equals 0.2 text units, OF output per rupee. For capital, frac MPKR equals frac 3 text units, OF output RS. 20 equals 0.15 text units, OF output per rupee. Since frac MPLW 0.2 is greater than frac MPKR 0.15, it means that labor is relatively more productive per rupee spent than capital. In cases of perfect substitutes, linear production function, the firm will exclusively use the input that provides more output per rupee as long as it can produce the desired output level with that input alone. Let's see if we can produce 100 units of output using only labor. If K equals 0, then Q equals 2L. To produce 100 units, 100 equals 2L, write L equals 50 units. The cost would be C equals 10 times 50 plus 20 times 0 equals Rs 500. Now let's see if we can produce 100 units of output using only capital. If L equals 0, then Q equals 3K. To produce 100 units, 100 equals 3K, write K equals frac 103, approx 33.33 units. The cost would be is 3C equals 10 times 0 plus 20 times frac 103 equals Rs. Frac 2003, approx Rs, 666.67. Comparing the two options, using only labor is cheaper, 500 rupees, than using only capital, 666 rupees and 67 paise. Therefore, the optimal combination is to use only labor because it is the more cost-effective input per unit of output produced. Optimal combination of labor and capital. Labor L equals 50 units. Capital K equals 0 units. The minimum cost to produce 100 units of output will be 500 rupees.